there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a BelleTress wig called Bellissima. And the color is Honey with Chai Latte. I'm not going to go into too much detail about the color because I've already done a color spotlight of this one. So if you want to know more about it, make sure you keep an eye open for that video on our YouTube channel. This is going to be mainly about Bellissima. Let me release this side from the clutches of my glasses. This is a gorgeous, short, layered bob. Reminds me of like Eve by Envy. Just really beautiful. You know, has some certain elements to it that remind me a little bit of like Christy by John Renault even. Just a really beautiful, classic bob. Before I do anything else, let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Bellissima looks like on all sides. You know what I was just thinking of when I was doing this turn? I think that there's an old Saturday Night Live sketch where they were like, Bellissima, and they basically like made out with the girl. I think that was a thing. And I think that's what I keep like inadvertently channeling every time I say the name of this style. You know, just saying. So let's talk some specs. The sides are 8 inches, the nape is only 2, and the overall is anywhere from 2 to 8 inches. It's very layered. Very layered. Look how short some of these layers are up here. They're not 2 inches short, but they're like about 4 or 5 inches. Very beautiful, very subtle layering on this one. Gives it a really pretty, slightly rounded shape. I find this really flattering on. Weighs 3.4 ounces. The hair is heat-friendly synthetic, so it's not super shiny, and you can heat style it. Just make sure you're careful if you use conventional heat tools on a heat-friendly synthetic wig. Don't pull hair while you style it, because you can actually distort the shape and size of the fiber, as well as the color, because they get kind of pale when you do that to them. So just make sure when you heat style them, you're not pulling on the hair at the same time. That's particularly important when you straighten it. Oh, before I forget, here is that lace front. It is temple to temple. And then here, let me find that mono part. There you can see part of that mono part there. So this is the inside of Bellissima by BelleTress. The hand gestures just kind of come built in when you start saying Italian words, doesn't it? That goes out with love to my friend Antonio, by the way. He's extremely Italian. So he's hilarious. And so we've got these open wefts on the side and in the back. We've also got an extended felt nape with these beautiful bra-like adjusters. We've got fuzzy felt here on the ear tabs as well. The metal in the ear tabs for the BelleTress line, a little bit flimsy, so you might want to make double sure before you leave the house that they're actually down on the sides of your head, but they should stay in place once they're there. This is a basically open cap wig that has a monofilament side part on the left and a pre-cut lace front with a little bit of a contour there. All right, BelleTress, you got me. I love this wig. I love the way it looks on me. I love the length of it, particularly with summer coming up. I really, really, really like this wig. Every once in a while I get like that in one of these reviews where I'm like, no, don't take it away from me, my precious. So yeah, but it's like that with this one. It's so pretty, and of course, you know, I kind of did this to myself because I ordered this in one of my favorite colors from this line, this Honey with Chai Latte, which is really fantastic with my skin tone. BelleTress doesn't have a whole lot of colors, but the colors they have are pretty, and this is a really good example of that. So that's about it for this one. I really like it. I give it a double thumbs up. The cap fits a little bit on the snug side, so probably true to average here. I'm gonna try wearing this one around the house for a little bit, see if I can stretch it out a little. Sometimes if you wash it, particularly if you use the fabric softener, that'll help stretch it out a little bit faster. So I may try some tricks here, but I'm keeping this one because I love it. So anyhow, I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. I don't just drool over wigs, I sell them, and that's where you can find them. And this has been the Bellissima by BelleTress in the Honey with Chai Latte. I highly recommend. It is divine, and it'll be a fantastic and flattering summer style. thank you so much for watching, everybody. It's been a blast doing this review for you, if you couldn't tell. So thank you for helping me do this for you by shopping in my store, checking out our channel, doing all that stuff I keep saying at the end of these videos, you know. So thank you. High five. I know you guys have our backs. So have a great night, and we'll talk to you later, Gators. Bye.